Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Getting your groceries delivered in 2025 truly has one streamlined path: the official Walmart app. This powerful tool is your key to unlocking incredible convenience and skipping the store entirely, saving you valuable time. It transforms your phone into a complete shopping cart, making it effortless to browse items, fill your virtual cart, and arrange for home delivery. We'll show you exactly how simple it is, ensuring you master this essential service for all your household needs. To begin, find the official Walmart app in your device's App Store and tap to download it. Once it's installed, opening the app prompts you to either create a new account with your email or sign in using existing credentials. This initial step is super quick. Then, just add your primary delivery address and your preferred payment method, like a credit card, to securely complete your profile. It's a smooth, straightforward process. With your account ready, exploring Walmart's vast selection is simple. You can easily browse by department or use the search bar to find specific items, adding them directly to your cart. As you shop, remember to select your substitution preferences. This ensures you get a suitable alternative if your first choice is unavailable. Finally, head to checkout, review your order carefully, confirm all your delivery details, and securely place it. Now for the best part: scheduling your delivery. You can choose a convenient window that perfectly fits your day, often with options for same-day service depending on availability. The app provides real-time tracking, so you'll know exactly when your personal shopper is selecting items and when your driver is en route. Your carefully packed groceries will arrive fresh and right to your doorstep, making life so much easier. To really maximize your Walmart delivery experience, remember these helpful tips. You can easily save your favorite items and reorder past purchases, streamlining your future shopping trips significantly. Always check the app for exclusive digital coupons and special deals. These can help you save a lot on your groceries. And if you ever have a question or an issue with an order, Walmart's customer support is readily available right through the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.